Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And yes, I will be watching the trailer of Bhool Bhulaiya 2, which is right now trending at #1 on YouTube India. So it stars Kartik Aaryan, Kiara and Tabu. And I remember जब मैं KGF 2 देखने गई थी तो the title card for Bhool Bhulaiya 2 actually was revealed. वो Ami J Tomar, Shreya Ghoshal ka it played, then the title card revealed, and we saw Kartik Aaryan, and then yeah, it was like a little teaser. So they showed a little teaser of Bhool Bhulaiya 2, and then it ended with Ami J Tomar of Arijit Singh. So that was the little teaser, that glimpse that we got. So yeah, now we have like a full-blown trailer. Let's see how it is. Am I excited? I don't know. I mean, see, the first one is really close to my heart. So comparison तो मुझे लगता है होगा, but I don't think करना चाहिए, because this will be a completely different story. If it was the same star cast, I think then it would have been fair to compare कि हाँ पहला अच्छा था, second अच्छा था. But I feel right now it's a completely different star cast, so we really cannot compare. And Bhool Bhulaiya, at least मैं तो जब school में थी, one of my favorite movies ever. And I've also seen the original one, Mani Chitrataru, which is a Malayalam film जिससे Bhool Bhulaiya remake हुई थी. So let's see. This is of course not a remake of any movie. This is just like Bhool Bhulaiya इतना famous था तो इसका second part आ गया. Let's see how the trailer is. Let's see. All the judgments aside, let's see how the trailer is. My God.
15 साल बाद इस दरवाजे ने फिर दस्तक दी है. इसके पीछे कोई साधारण आत्मा नहीं है.
Sorry.
काला जादू करने वाली मंजुलिका है.
I can see dead people. बचपन से भूतों के बीच पला बड़ा हूं मैं. वहां खड़े खड़े मेरा मुंह क्या देख रहे हो? देख लो.
अभी से बात करो.
आपके पीछे जो 2 आत्माएं खड़ी हैं, उनसे बात कर रहा हूं. मुझे तुम बहुत बुरी लगने लगी.
मुझे भी तुम बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं हो.
मैं सिर्फ आत्माओं से बात नहीं करता, आत्माएं मेरे अंदर आ भी जाती हैं.
ये तो हमारे से भी ज्यादा हरामी है.
घंटा अंतर्यामी है. ये हमसे भी बड़ा हरामी है.
इससे तो अच्छा हो तो बिग बॉस में चलो जा, तो कम से कम वहाँ पे बेइज्जती के पैसे तो मिले.
पंडित जी ने कहा है कि शुक्रवार को कुत्तों को खाना खिलाने से पुण्य मिलता है. लो लो, ठूस लो.
कोई मंजुलिका नहीं है. ये हवेली भूल भुलैया है. भूल भुलैया.
बहुत सी आत्माओं से बात की होगी तुमने, लेकिन मंजुलिका सबसे अलग है. रूहान,
चीचा, यस, जब से यहाँ आया हूँ मंजुलिका सुने जा रहा हूँ. कमिंग टू गेट यू मंजू. तुम मंजुलिका कैसे हो सकती?
Oh.
डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प के ट्वीट और चुड़ैलों के फीट हमेशा उल्टे ही होते हैं.
Okay.
मंजुलिका बाहर आ गई है. उसने मुझ पर हमला किया.
Well, it's
मिलना
actually a
चाहोगे तुम
ghost.
मंजुलिका से?
हमारी वजह से मंजुलिका बाहर आई है. सबकी जान खतरे में है.
चल भागते हैं यहाँ से.
हम ठाकुर हैं और हम मुसीबत से कभी भागते नहीं है.
हाँ तो हम भी रंधावा है. मुसीबत आती ना निकल लेते हैं.
Huh.
আমি যে তোমার
Okay. Stop this. They did it again. पूरा कहानी दिखा दिया इन लोगों ने ट्रेलर में. 3 मिनट के ट्रेलर में क्लियरली पूरा कहानी दिखा दिया. Like it's so easy to guess that Kartik says इनिशियली जब उसका इंट्रोडक्शन होगा, दैट आई कैन सी डेड पीपल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट वो एक ठगी है, ठीक है. ही दैट्स लाइक अ मीन टू अर्न मनी, बिकॉज देन इन द लेटर हाफ वो देखो कैसे भाग रहा है कि निकलो यहाँ से, चलो निकलते हैं यहाँ से, बिकॉज ही क्लियरली कैन नॉट डील विद द सिचुएशन. ही नेवर थॉट ही विल सी एन एक्चुअल गोस्ट. सो दैट इज रिवील्ड. कियारा अडवाणी के अंदर मंजुलिका की आत्मा घुस जाती है, दैट इज रिवील्ड. I don't know what Tabu's role is. So this is a completely different universe. It's not in the same universe. Of course, Manjulika is the only common thing, but if you just look at the first one, there was no ghost. Like, it was a horror comedy, but end ka reveal was the best thing because it was a psychological horror thing. उसके दिमाग में वो घुस गया था, मतलब it was actually dealing with a mental disorder, and वो पूरा कहानी था. So technically there was no ghost. So this they have properly, there are supernatural elements here. So I'm really not sure what to feel about that. It could be good, like they have to treat it properly. जैसे स्त्री movie को treat किया था. Horror comedy is a very very, it can be a very fun genre to watch. But I mean, like the humor factor, I don't see, they're going to use the jump scares and all for the horror factor. वो तो मुझे समझ आ रहा है, ठीक है. But then कियारा अडवाणी को भी दिखा दिया कि the bhoot is possessing her. Why to show those scenes? See, that's the thing. They've shown the entire film. The only silver lining over here I can see is Tabu, and in a way Kartik Aaryan also, because I don't know, but between Kartik and Kiara, I don't see the chemistry. That's the only thing. But ठीक है, वो तो मूवी देखने के बाद पता चलेगा कि कितना है दोनों लीड एक्टर्स के बीच में chemistry. But Tabu looks great. Even Kartik looks fine. He looks actually quite good in that entire getup. And humor is something which is he's good at. He's good at, मतलब comedy dialogues वगैरह जब वो deliver करता है Kartik Aaryan, we know he's funny. He has a good comic timing. So I'm really not worried about that. I'm actually worried about the dialogues that are in the film. Because the dialogues have been written by Farhad Samji, and his track record has not been great. Let's be very very realistic here. The track record that he has had, it's not great, and yeah, that's what I'm worried about. मुझे acting से ज़्यादा चिंता तो उसमें है. So good to see Rajpal Yadav again. So good to see Rajpal Yadav again, the only cast member who is from the actual Bhool Bhulaiya 1. So overall, I have mixed feelings for this because of the dialogues. I am not sure. Like, the dialogues were not able to, they don't seem that wow. What is your thought? But the production value, cinematography, visual effects, they look great. कितना अच्छा लगा था मुझे नीरज श्रीधर की आवाज़ सुन के. So they're going to use the same song in his voice. The remix sounds nice. I'm going to wait for the remix to come out. And Arijit sings Aami Je To Maar, guys, iconic song. Though I feel Shreya का भी थोड़ा part होना चाहिए उसमें. That's what I want, because that song is like, Bhool Bhulaiya 1 songs are really really good, really really good. Also, I don't know if adding the actual supernatural element just takes away the mystery, because even in the first one हमको end तक नहीं पता था कि भूत है कि नहीं है. मतलब that was the primary assumption of the audience कि भूत है. But वो जो twist आया in the end कि no, she's actually, there's a psychological problem, she feels that, Vidya Balan herself feels that वही मंजुलिका है. That was the biggest twist in the film. तो इसमें तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इसमें तो वो भूत को निकालेगा. That's the exorcism वाला angle है इसमें. That's what I feel like. So I am hopeful because Kartik is there and his comic timing is good. Tabu is there and Rajpal Yadav is there. These are only the 3 actors which make me a little hopeful for this film, and the music. I feel the music will be good for this movie. तो ये 4 factors है जिसकी वजह से I feel that movie से उम्मीद कर सकते हैं. But they have just revealed the story which I did not like. Like, why you did that? वो कुछ critical scenes दिखा दिए यार. कुछ critical scenes दिखा दिए which they shouldn't have done it. So yeah. Wishing the makers all the best. 20th May the movie is releasing. Wishing them all the best. Production wise, of course, looks amazing. I hope the story is also amazing, and even the dialogues are amazing. It just that the horror part, maybe they'll nail it, but the humor part, लाइक एक्सेप्ट दैट वन डायलॉग जहाँ पे वो छोटा लड़का बोलता है कि आज फ्राइडे को कुत्तों को खिलाते हैं तो अच्छा होता है, तो खा लो that was funny. That generated some laughter in me, genuine laughter, but the rest all were meh. So yeah, that was the reaction and those were my thoughts. I want to know your thoughts in the comments below. Please let me know कि आपको कैसा लगा ट्रेलर. Do you think it's a cash grab? Honestly, अगर स्टोरी अच्छी निकली, सी इट्स वेरी टू सून टू से. इफ इट्स जस्ट कि हाँ भूल भुलैया इतनी फेमस है इसीलिए उसका जस्ट नाम देके भूल भुलैया 2 बना दिया, वो तो मूवी के देखने के बाद ही विल अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज इफ द स्टोरी इज गुड देन ग्रेट, देन यू हैव डन a good service to the horror comedy genre. But if it's not, then we can probably say नहीं, ये तो पक्का सिर्फ एक कैश ग्रैब की मेंटालिटी से ही ये मूवी बनाई थी. वो मूवी देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा. So yes, wishing the makers all the best. And yeah, with that I will end today's video. Sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Yeah, I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.